Just put some pepper sauce in the bathroom drain, and you'll be surprised by the result. A plumber gave me this tip, and today I'm showing it to you. I'm sure you've never thought about doing this at home, but when you find out what it's for, you want to try right away. Because it may seem a simple trick, but I guarantee it will be really useful. And for this, follow these steps. In a container, add 10 ounces of water. Just regular water at room temperature. We're also going to add dish soap. I'm using this one, but feel free to use whatever you prefer. Let's add 2 tablespoons here. And finally, add the pepper sauce. Add just 1 teaspoon and then mix it really well. This tip is just amazing, and it's been quite useful for me here at home, and I'm sure it will help you too. And now folks, our mixture is ready. And to make it easier to apply, just transfer everything to a spray bottle. Now let's get to the bathroom. I'll show you guys how to use it. All you need to do is apply this mixture into the drains of your bathroom. And now you might be wondering, okay, but why would I do that, right? Folks, with just this mixture, we can get rid of those bathroom flies once for all. That's right. Those little bugs, which are harmless but can annoy a lot of people. Just closing the windows won't help because many people don't know it, but they come from the drains. And also, washing the bathroom isn't enough because you'll need to target where they breed. With this mixture we just made, you're never going to see them in your house again. And if you prefer, you can go ahead and apply it into all the drains in the house, but the ideal would be to always apply it into the bathroom drains, because that's where those flies concentrate the most. So that's it. I hope you enjoy it. Give it a try at home too. I'm sure you're definitely gonna love the results.